coming home, I'm coming home. Tell the world I'm coming.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.
Hello guys, welcome to our channel Sidhu Bytes. Like, share and subscribe to Skill is Future. Now let's see how to write the first program in VS Code. Now double click the mouse and click new folder and create a new folder which I named as you wish. I named as the Python project. Okay. Yeah, successfully our folder is created. Now open your Visual Studio Code, means VS Code. Okay, now left top side there is a file. Open, click on that and select folder, and folder name is where you created in desktop, that is Python project, and I will give that Python project and select folder. Yeah, our successfully created our file in Visual Studio Code. Yep, follow the same step what I do and create new file, that put any name, ipad.py, that is the extension of Python. So yeah, successfully created our Python file in Visual Studio Code, and now we write the first code, that is every code I write with hello world program. Yes, we also write that only. For that, print brackets strings in hello world. Yeah, top right the run button is there, click on that and you see the output hello world. Yeah, we could successfully run our first program hello world. Now let's see the second example. I will comment that one, and let's take a variable a equal to 10, b equal to 20, and print that addition brackets a plus b. So again click run button and you see the output 30. 10 plus 20 is equal to 30. Yeah, we done it.